Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a what's in the bag video. In this case, what's in my FPV bag. I want to keep things as light as possible, just so that I can be more portable and move around. So instead of a backpack, I actually carry a sling with me, this messenger bag here. And it has like a easy to open magnetic top flap. Let me go over what I bring with me when I go on these kind of FPV walks. So I carry my drones inside a water-resistant Muji bag that I bought. So here's just a zip bag here, but it's water-resistant, which is nice and soft enough to make sure this is damaged, but also sturdy enough so that things don't get scratched while it's in my bag. I brought my Seeker 3 with me today. So I usually pull that out first. So I actually wear my bag while I fly too. The whole thing is just to make sure I can, again, get in and out of wherever I am as fast as possible. I bring my landing dock with me. So this is just a portable landing dock. It opens up. You can see here, I've set up my drone here. Once I pull out my drone, usually set up my controller. I have the Radiomaster pocket, super portable. I'm just used to it. I know the gimbals are tiny. I actually bought a Radiomaster GX12 that I'm looking forward to trying out. I'm hoping that'll be my main driver, but pretty sure I'm gonna be keeping my pocket around too since it's so freaking portable, right? Next thing I have in here, I don't really like the stock sticks on the Radiomaster pocket. They're just a little bit too spiky for me. And then that, I don't know, it's just really uncomfortable. So I went ahead and bought these Felisticks, and what they are is just, alternative joysticks I can use for the pocket. It's nice because they got like a softer feel to them, but they also have nubs which make them grippy. I'm like a double hybrid style when I fly. So I actually thumb with the throttle and yaw, and then I pinch with the roll and pitch, double hybrid, because even my pinch style is hybrid, right? So I have my thumb on top and pinch the sides. And these sticks are kind of nice because they like concave in, and so it just gives more space for my fingers. Let's turn this thing on. Then of course the other thing I have in here is my goggles, which is just the DJI Goggles 3. I have a lens protector on it, and what's nice about this bag is it's got like a lot of pockets and whatnot, so I can slip things away when I need, including the lens protector. So let's get these goggles on, and then got my batteries, of course. I just carry it in this like leather pouch. I have LiFo bags at home. I probably should use that, but they're a bit thick, and I don't know if they're actually even gonna do anything in the event of a fire anyways, especially when it's all in my bag, all close together like this. So I don't mind the risk. Some other things I carry as well, UV filters. Carried the 04 Pro. If I fly with the 04 Lite, I'll usually just put the filters on beforehand, kind of guess what the weather's like, or just stick to using the plain old UV filter, because on the 04, I'm okay with auto on there. Whereas if I use the 04 Pro, maybe I have some intent and I want to capture it, in a certain shutter speed, right? So just to get that motion blur in. Other things in here, I have a lens hood for the 04 Pro. It just adds some extra protection. I only use it if I decide I don't need to create cinematic footage, but then I want to fly a little bit more risky, more freestyle-like. I have a USB cable. This is if I want to plug in my goggles to my phone, show people, if I have someone accompanying me, or I don't know, strangers come by and they want to see what it's like, I can plug it into the phone, turn on the DJI app, and show them what I see through the goggle. Other than that, just a bunch of spare props. So one for every drone that I have, because in case I forget to pack them, so I just, they're pretty light enough to just carry around. So 3 inches for my Seeker. I got 2 inches for, when I fix my Frankenstein. I also just have an Allen key and then a Phillips head, small screwdriver, and then the props for the Meteor 65 Pro, which I believe are 1.2 inch. So that is everything that I carry in my bag. Have everything all splayed out so I can show you. As you can see, it helps to pack light because I can leave whenever I want. So I'll leave my controller on with joysticks in, but I can easily pack up my goggles and my drone back in the bag, and I can move to the next spot. Just walk around, see what inspires me to fly, or really see what's not busy. That's about it.